Assalamu alaikum, good morning. Today is, wait, let me check. Seventeenth of April, 2:13 p.m. and गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है लाहौर में. Let's go for a drive. Wait. I can barely touch this, it's so hot right now. Okay, so it's a beautiful view. कैमरे में आपको अच्छा व्यू नज़र आ रहा होगा. It's 4K, but गर्मी जो है, I can't describe it because I'm literally sweating right now profusely as we speak. Oh, I forgot to wear my seatbelt. Hold on, wait a minute. Next second. Okay, we're done. Let's go. Loud. Okay, let's turn on the AC. Currently, I checked the temperature. It's 40 degrees right now, and it's hot. Steering wheel थोड़ा बहुत cool down हुआ है, but it's still warm, you know. लेकिन अब AC चलाया तो let's see how it goes. Well, this area जितना आपको नज़र आ रहा है, the camera, it's all Wavda down, it's the main road where you have E-block on the left side, and you have H, I guess. No, it's not H. Let me check. I forget. E2 side पे, I guess. So those people who are like residents of Wavda town in Lahore में, so they must know this store. ये है Euro store. This is like the famous for getting all your groceries and all those stuff, you know. Here is a competitor है, well, not so much as a competitor, but इसके साथ ही there's this on cost, which is pretty decent as well. The service is good. And now we're going to exit Wavda town. मैंने जाना है PIA roads पे, and I have to pick up my brother from the university. And you can guess PIA पे कौन सी university है. So those of you who do not know about this car, this is a Divo Racer. This particular model is a 1992 model. It has a manual transmission box it's a 4 gearbox. It's 70 horsepower, I believe. I'll check the manual जो इसके साथ आता है car के साथ. So yeah, it's a vintage oldie, but a goldie as well. You can literally park this thing anywhere. You can take it off-roading, like kahin bhi chadha do, and it's, you know. So I tried to find a spot in the shade, but yahan pe koi shade nahi hai, and the sun is just slapping you in the face quite often than usual. Whatever. So sunny out here, man. कहीं भी छाँव नहीं है यार. That's luck. Your luck. Well, that's my luck. So those of you who are wondering कि मेरे पास shades नहीं हैं, तो no, I don't have shades at the moment. They were all torn up. I have got to buy new shades for the car, especially the front ones while I'm driving. So yeah. But I've got this little visor to protect me. Well, protect क्या, धूप पीछे चली गई है. It's just, you know, there. No, I'm not crying, but it's just the heat, you know. It's so much. I think Allah ने कोई special, you know, टेस्ट रखा है लाहौरियों के लिए एंड गर्मी जो लाहौर में पड़ती है ना, ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स फॉर दोज ऑफ यू हु आर फ्रॉम इस्लामाबाद, स्वात, KPK वाली साइड से। कराची का आई डोंट थिंक, वेल कराची का जो मैंने सुना है, इट्स लाइक कि शाम को it's a breezy weather because the breeze comes in from the sea and all that, you know. लेकिन यहाँ तो कोई सीन नहीं है। Once, especially August में, it's so humid कि it's so difficult to breathe here, especially when you're outside. So August में कोई coolers काम नहीं करते, it's only the air conditioning. So कैमरा अब नीचे चला गया है। The reason is because you know धूप अब काफ़ी ज़्यादा आ गई ऊपर, सो ये हैंड ब्रेक के साथ रखा हुआ है मैंने। डोंट वरी, हैंड ब्रेक के नीचे नहीं है, साथ है, इट्स विद द हैंड ब्रेक। एक्सक्यूज मी, कॉल आई है। हेलो, आप वहीं जो एंड साइड पे लास्ट में। ओके ओके, सो माय ब्रदर्स हियर and we are off back to either home or someplace else. Let's see.